The agents, so far what you've been describing is a lot of very fast analytics as well to help the users. Can the agents take actions as well? So when they, for a food manufacturer, for example, they notice, oh, the formula here is way off. We need to cut the production line right now before we waste all these ingredients. Can an agent do something like that, or do you need something completely different for that?
No, I mean you can do that absolutely. Initially, for the production costing agent, we were looking at update the route times, meaning 6 minutes per part instead of 5 minutes, and then also notifying someone when something goes awry or ending the order if it's within a certain level of tolerance. But your
Hmm.
point is valid that depending on what it has access to, we have a lot of actions that we can give it access to take on our behalf. And it goes to that crawl, walk, run sort of approach, right? Where first you ask the agent to just be analyzing it and you realize, yeah, this analysis is on point. Or you may say, yeah, it analyzed it correct with the data it had here, but it really needed to know the context and it needed to know a little bit more about the part. So then you
Yeah.
go back and you add more part information or process information about that. And then you do another iteration and then the next thing might be, okay, well now let it end or now let it update the schedule and move everything
Mm.
out by 10 minutes. So there's a
So
lot of things you can do here. It's right for automation
yeah.
and there's this journey that the human has to go on too though in becoming comfortable with it because I still am visiting
Yeah.
customers that are not really using production planning or like the planning engine inside of Dynamics or traditional MRP. They're actually still in Excel
Yeah.
doing their production sequencing and doing their planning because they know they have control of it. They know what's happening. They know what decisions are being made. And so there's a huge change management aspect to AI that I think has not been highlighted enough that all of us need to understand what the AI is doing, be comfortable with it, and be able to ask it to show its work as well. So even when we've built autonomous agents taking action for you, like that smart sourcing agent too, there's a chat interface also.
Yeah.
Hey, why did you choose supplier 28 for that purchase requisition? And then it will explain all the reasons why, and it could do a comparison chart between the 5 approved vendors for you.